just covered up your baby.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's your baby's name?
Baby's it.
Baby, oh that's right, Baby's it. Where are you guys going?
We're going with the feller.
You're going to where?
Where Lydia's at.
Corte Madera?
No, right where Lydia lives.
She used to live in Corte Madera.
Yeah.
Oh, San Francisco. Is that where you're going?
Yes, we're going there.
Oh.
And that's where I live, so
I thought you lived in Rancho Santa Bernardo.
well, I don't know. I'll have to take my seatbelt off and put this on. Oh, Sydney, can you give me that seatbelt, that one? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. There. Ooh.
How long do you have to be on the airplane for?
For like 70 weeks.
For 70 weeks. Wow, that's a long airplane ride.
I know, but I don't need the seatbelt.
You want me to take that one away?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that better?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. How old is your baby?
1.
She's 1? Is it a boy or girl?
A girl.
A girl.
So I call her Baby Zit.
Yeah, she's cute.
Yeah, but you can come around. You can come along.
Oh, I can sit back there in that airplane seat?
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks great.
Zayden, you can sit right here.
Hi.
Oh, Zayden, he just broke the engine.
It's okay, we can fix it.
Okay, fix the engine.
Okay.
Zayden, you're ruining my seat.
That's his airplane seat, Zayden. You're on an airplane to go to San Francisco. And it's going to take 71 weeks, did you say, or 70 weeks?
I want some
Hey, easy there. Whoa. Whoa.
No, that's my baby.
Did she steal your baby?
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Zane.
Zane Zane, what's the baby's name?
Baby Zip. Baby Zip. Right? Zane, the baby is crying. You baby. Oh, no, she isn't. I'm gonna get her right here. So Zayden, don't ruin my feet. I'm in my seat. Okay, well then enjoy your seat. Okay, Sandal. And I'm gonna enjoy my seat. Okay. Was baby isn't crying. No, she likes to go super high. Yeah, but just like that. Yeah, you can do like that. Oh no, don't take her. Don't take her. I'm just going to move them like this. No, like this. No, I like it like this. But hey, you're ruining my seat. No, I'm just going to enjoy my seat. Well, Sam, just move your seat like a little bit. No, I don't want to sleep. Hey, Zayden is ruining my seat.
Okay, Mommy will fix it.
Okay, so fix it.
Please.
Please.
Okay, I love you.
I love you.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Baby Zit.
Bye, baby.
Zane Zane. Say bye to the camera. Say bye, camera. What are we looking at? Your foot? Say bye, camera.
Mommy. Yeah. Fix my seat. Oh, wait,
How come the camera won't turn off?
How we